What's up guys, Random Razor here with another tech accessory video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out the Moshi Codex case for the all-new Touch Bar MacBook Pros. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, test it out, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. So I actually reviewed the Codex case for the Retina MacBook Pro three or 4 years ago, and I thought it was one of the best MacBook sleeves I've ever used and reviewed over the past 5 years. Now Moshi did release one for the Touch Bar MacBook Pros to fit the exact dimensions of that MacBook for both the 13 and 15-inch models, and they are available in a couple different colors. There's a burgundy one as well as this black one here. Here's a quick look at the specs here. It's weather resistant, has memory foam built in, so because there's padding when you press on it, it's not going to stay pressed, it's going to return back to its original shape. It's airport friendly and designed for, in this case, the 15-inch Touch Bar MacBook Pro. Comes in pretty high quality Moshi packaging. There's a little green tab here you just pull out like so. And of course the first and only thing that we get is the Codex sleeve here, as well as an included cleaning instructions. And that is pretty much it. Now I reviewed a number of different MacBook sleeves over the past 5-6 years, and this one, the Moshi Codex, has always been what I think is one of the best. Normally when you think of a MacBook sleeve, you think of something like the in-case neoprene sleeve, which is basically a big pouch and a zipper on top. The problem with those sleeves though is that they're not the most practical thing to use with your MacBook, and this is why the Moshi Codex one here I think is one of the best. So with a normal sleeve, normally what you have to do is take your MacBook out of the sleeve in order to use it. With the Moshi Codex sleeve here, you unzip it like a normal sleeve, but when you open it up, your MacBook's here, open your MacBook, you're all set to go. You don't have to take your MacBook out of the sleeve. And as you guys can see here, you have full access to everything on your MacBook, from the ports, the keyboard, the screen, without having to take the computer out. Once you're all done, just fold your MacBook back, zip up the sleeve, and you're all set to go. So although that doesn't seem like a whole lot, having to not take your MacBook in and out all the time out of the sleeve is really convenient and much more practical to use than a traditional sleeve. Another nice added feature about the Codex sleeve here is that there's a built-in handle that folds out, making it much more easier to carry than having to hold the entire sleeve like this with your hands. Aside from those features, it's just as well built and protective as a normal neoprene sleeve. In this case, the Codex sleeve here is made of this durable vegan leather material with reinforced stitched edges for added durability and bump protection. Underneath all this is padded memory foam for added protection, and because it's memory foam, when you press on it, it retains its shape. There's also dual Moshi branded zippers, more Moshi branding on the top here, and that is pretty much it for the exterior overview. Check out the interior of the sleeve here. You can see the entire interior has this really soft microfiber lined material to protect the finish of your MacBook. 4 built-in rubberized bumpers here to keep your MacBook from sliding around in the sleeve when you're using it. And on the top part of the lid, you can see there's also this additional side padding. Basically what this does is when you close the lid, this keeps your MacBook from making contact with the actual zipper. So overall guys, hopefully you guys can see why I think this is one of the best MacBook sleeves out there. It's such a simple and practical design that having something like this really makes it much more easier to use your MacBook in combination with a sleeve to protect it. One noticeable improvement I noticed from this new model is that this lid here can spring back, whereas the previous one kind of sagged behind it, so you had to use these straps here to attach to the lid, which in this case isn't necessary. In addition, I also like how the sleeve is compatible with the hardshell case that I have on my MacBook, which is also from Moshi, the iGlaze hardshell case. And as you guys can see here, it fits it no problem. From an aesthetic standpoint, the sleeve is a very tech-oriented, kind of professional business-oriented design. So if you're looking for something that's like pink or a little bit more colorful, Moshi only has 2 different colors, and that is this black one here as well as a burgundy one. In terms of any cons or changes I would make with this case, there really isn't anything bad to say about it. However, I will say I kind of miss the brushed metallic material that they used on their previous case over the vegan leather that they use on their current case. The only real con with this case is a price standpoint, with a retail price of $69 for the 13-inch model and $84 for the 15-inch model off of Moshi's website. So it's not a cheap case, and you're definitely paying a little bit more than your standard neoprene sleeve. In conclusion guys, if you're in the market for a new MacBook sleeve and you want something that's protective, practical, and easy to carry, you definitely can't go wrong with the Moshi Codex case. Anyways, thanks for watching guys. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments about this sleeve, ask away in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button, as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.